Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for the new videos on my channel. Today's recipe is how to make dosa. Ingredients: urad dal 1 cup, dosa rice or plain rice 3 cups, fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon, cooked rice half cup, water as required, salt to taste. Preparation method: take rice, urad dal, fenugreek seeds in a vessel and wash them properly. After washing it properly, pour enough water and keep it aside for 6 to 7 hours. You can prepare the batter in the grinder or mixie jar. Add cooked rice. Soaked mixture of urad dal, rice and fenugreek seeds. Some water and salt. Grind it into a paste. If needed, you can add little bit of water in between. Now batter is ready. Transfer it into a vessel. After transfer it into a vessel, keep the batter overnight. The next day, add some water and mix the batter so the batter is in pourable consistency. Now take a pan, add 1 spoon of batter, spread the batter evenly on the pan, add little bit of oil, it's optional. Let the color change into golden brown or till it becomes crisp. Flip the dosa and cook it on the other side. Flip it one more time. That's it, your dosa is ready. You can serve the dosa with chutney or sambar or idli podi also. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.